What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stono Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another little video, baby. Hey, man, it's a holiday. Happy Memorial Day. Was it Labor Day? I get them two confused. But I think it's Memorial Day. But anyway, we still gonna step outside. Might catch us a floozy. Hey, boy, rub them hands together like a bird, man. Because you know we about to get to this money. When your boy come on, it's time to get to this money already. But before we do all that, man, we got to shout out a couple of people. DeFi Crypto Boss, man, check him out. Do a lot of great positive video, man. He just look into the camera and talk, you know what I'm saying? Give it to you real and raw. You know what I'm saying? You can't beat that. You gotta win drip hip all time high. What you gonna do? Stop overcomplicate. Hey, man, check him out. He shouted me out, man. Did a video. Shouted me out, man. Hey, what you want me to say, man? You know what I'm saying? Link up in the description. He do great videos, man. Who wants to go? Beach Office 365. Same thing. Look in the camera, talk about that good stuff, man. Hey, shouted me out right here on the video, man. Go check him out. Now I know he put the little mean face so people might think he talking bad about stuff. Nah, man, he talk good about your boy, man. You know what I'm saying? Just gotta do that. So you see the little smile and carrying on, you know what I'm saying, for the YouTube algorithm. I see you though. He in the Telegram, man. I see you. Why? But anyway, we're gonna get back to this money, man. Hey, that's another guy. I forgot your name, bro. I can't think of his YouTube name. He shouted me out on video. Anyway, man, your boy just making, strides in this community. You understand what I'm saying? Anyway, let's get back to this money, shall we? Start with the animal farm, man. Pig pen. See what we got going on over here. Got over 300. See, if I just, like I say, man, if you don't have a lot in there, just treat it like a job, like a paycheck. Just come back every Friday or every Sunday, every Monday, every Wednesday, whatever day you want to pick. Pick a day and look at it that way. You see what I'm saying? That's just like a paycheck, baby. We can go to the other side. This two-sided now. I just get that just from being in here. See this BUSD rewards vault? As long as there's money in here, there will be money in here. You know what I'm saying? So we come over to this side to the withdrawal. I got 31 P's. You get 2% of what you got in here. Not 2% of whatever else y'all talking about. You get 2% of this value right here per day. So I got 31. Let me see. I think I already did that calculation. Yeah, I got 31, and then the current price is 137. That's $4,357, bro. What you want me to say? I can stop right there, bro. I ain't gonna get that out and go on about my day and have a good day. But wait, there's more. Let's go over here to the Piggy Bank, baby. Let's go over to the Piggy Bank. Still got 1.2 million in there. That's all right there. Read a little thing right here, you know what I'm saying? Blah, 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 blah. But bump all that. Let's get to this. See, Devin then added that compound all stakes instead of going down through here, clicking each one. You just click that compound all and then just approve the transactions. But let's see what we got. Let's see what we got in here, man. Look at this. Let's add this up, man. What is it? That's 6,007, 8.5, about 9, 10, about 10.5, 11, about $11,000, bro. $11,000. Where else am I gonna go get that kind of money, bro? Where? Please, somebody, please let me know where. So I ain't think so. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got nothing bad to say about it. What you want me to say something bad about the price? It could be $1. You know what I'm saying? It could be $0. It could be Luna. You understand what I'm saying? Hey, I don't look at the glass half empty. I look at the glass half. I'm a glass half full guy. There's no, man, look at these kind of numbers. What are you talking about? Nothing to be mad about. Let me see this compound dog. Bam. See what we got going on, man. Shout out to Forex, man, for putting that down. You know what I'm saying? See what we got. Come on now. Give me the finger. There you go, finger. Came a little quick today. All right, then, Memorial Day. Shout out to the veterans, too, man. If y'all was in the military, man, salute to you, man. Really, thank you for your service. That's real talk. I appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? It's you and your grandfather and all them, man. Hey, y'all the reason I get to come on here and say what I got to say. You know what I'm saying? So, shout out to you for real, man. Straight up. See what we got going on. Come on. Bam. See? Compound all. Do what you gotta do. I think it's gonna go through all of them. We'll see right quick. Yeah, it's gonna pull up. It's gonna pull up all of them. I'm just gonna confirm all of them. Pause the video right quick. All right, refresh the page, and you can see I've compounded $11,000 more back in there. Now, see, everybody don't do what I do. You know what I'm saying? So you're not gonna get the results I get. I believe in the project, so I compound. If I need a couple dollars, that's why I say get you some stakes with 0 time. Those are the ones you can sell and withdraw from. You see what I'm saying? If I need a couple of dollars, I just withdraw from those. You know what I'm saying? But if I don't, I just keep compounding. Hey, it is what it is, baby. Anyway, let's get to this drip, shall we? Let's come on over here to the monster. But first, let's check the drip chart, man. Let's check the drip chart right quick, right? So we came out, bam, went up, you know what I'm saying? Dropped down for all those months, you know, and then we went up, hit all-time highs. Little profit taking right here. Then we hit all-time highs again, way up here. Now look, oh my God, just months and months and months and months of decline. Way back down here, man. Look at that. Look at that. It's just going to zero. Man, it's awful. Awful, man. That's Cardano, guys. One of the most respected coins in the world. Over. You know what I'm saying? You see how anything can be manipulated? I just did that for a purpose, a reason. You can look at any chart and manipulate anything to make it sound how you want it to sound. That's how people do. They take drip. Oh my God. Oh my God. Like, bro. They never talk about this part though. That's interesting. You can come right over here and get this money, right? This is money. All that interjection and thoughts and feelings of what you think and thought don't matter at all. This is cold, hard cash. You see it? You see it? $13,000. Because I don't come here every day and just get drip. Oh my God, I got $5. Let me get it. Oh, I got $7. Oh, let me get it. Oh man, I got $15. Let me. No. Just let it build up. Just let it build up. I don't even know. I can't even tell what the price is. But I know I got $13,000 right here. Well, if the price was $1, who cares? Well, if the price was $10,000, who cares? You got money right here. That's why price doesn't matter. That 1%. Now, if that 1% was variable, if it was like the Fed, if Forex was meeting with the team and well, we're going to drop it down, you know, market conditions, we only going to pay you 0.0%, that would affect you more than price. If you were getting paid 0.02 on $100 as opposed to 1% on $15 or whatever, you will see the difference, bro. That 1% is what matters. Period. You understand what I'm saying? You build this up, this will take care of itself. You see me compound all the time. You be calling me crazy then until you see these numbers right here. You ask anybody who doing YouTube or in Telegram or something, where they gonna go and get $13,000? I just showed you $11,000 in the other one, then $4,000 in the pig pen, $11,000 in the piggy bank. You do the math. Ain't no other ecosystem paying like this, bro. Period. This is cold hard fact. Fact. And you gotta take your emotions out of crypto. Don't matter who the developer is, don't matter what the color is, don't matter none of that. What is it paying? What's the See, this the thing right here, man. If you new to crypto, bro, you ain't got a lot of money. So it doesn't make no sense for you to try to spread out $100 over 5 platforms. That makes no sense. I've never understood that. I never understood that. Why would you take $100, try to spread? Oh, here go the top 10. You got $10 in 10 platforms. That makes no sense, bro. But hey, it's a solo sport, so that's why I just let people do what they do. All thing I can do is show you what I'm doing. That's all YouTube is, bro. Everybody's showing you their own journey. I'm just showing you mine. This is what I do. You know what I'm saying? Hey, you got to touch it every day. Just let it build up. You don't even know what the price is. What if wasn't no price on here? What if Forex didn't show you the price? What if it wasn't no price on here? It'd be back to being the best platform ever. Because this is all you see right here is money. This is what counts at the end of the day. I don't care what nobody tell you, bro. Crypto is a solo sport, and this is all that counts at the end of the day. Hell, I seen Slow did a video. They were getting on him about him selling some elephant or trunk or something. You see what I'm saying? No matter how much you down for the cause and all that, doesn't matter. Solo sport. Of course he's gonna sell. Everybody's gonna sell. Like it's a solo sport, Jack. You can do all that yipping and yapping and kumbaya and all you want. At the end of the day, when the cameras go off, they're gonna hit that sell button. Just that simple. Ain't nothing wrong with that. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing wrong with that. But I'm just telling you how it is, bro. I'm just telling you how it is. My Bernie Mac voice, you understand what I'm saying? Oh, Claxton. Claxton, you know who you are. I got you. I'm trying to integrate it. This is a little indoor thing. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But Claxton, I got you, bro. I got you, boy. I appreciate you. But anyway, man, like the video. I'm trying to contemplate. I just want to see him look at my money. 13,000. I'm just dreaming. I'm dreaming of a drip Christmas. Like the video. What I say? Oh yeah. Like the video. Comment, subscribe. Holla back at your boy. I was looking down at the text. Boy. You know how you get that one text from that one person? You're like, hey, why? Let me end the video. You know what I'm saying?